Hello everyone. Today we are going to embark on a fascinating journey through the history of human language. From the first grunts to the complex forms of communication used today, languages have played a key role in the evolution of mankind. We'll explore the language's rudimentary origins and how it grew into a global communication tool with diverse languages and dialects across the world. Origins of language. Language is a unique feature of the human species. It is believed that our prehistoric ancestors used gestures, grunts, and rudimentary vocalizations to communicate with each other. Over time, these primitive forms of communication evolved into a more complex language, allowing the expression of ideas, emotions, and abstract concepts. Evolution of communication. Over time, human communities spread across the world and language evolved in surprising ways, developing languages and dialects to suit local needs and cultures. Today, there are thousands of languages spoken around the world, each with its own unique grammar, vocabulary and expressions. From English to Mandarin, Spanish to Arabic, French to Hindi, Swahili to Russian, the linguistic diversity of our world is truly fascinating. Each language carries with it the history, culture and identity of a people, and the way we communicate reflects our worldview and our life experiences. The first languages. The first languages that existed on planet Earth are known as proto-languages, and are considered rudimentary forms of verbal communication used by the first groups of humans. They were composed of simple sounds, gestures and facial expressions to communicate about basic needs such as food, shelter and protection from harm. Proto-languages are believed to have developed thousands of years ago and evolved in different directions, giving rise to diverse languages and dialects over time. It is important to note that early languages were likely to be highly contextual and dependent on the environment and immediate needs of human communities, since there was no grammatical structure or standardized vocabulary as in the modern languages we know today. Communication being based on physical signs and expressions, a primitive and essential way of sharing information and communicating among the first human beings. The first languages were essential for the survival and development of prehistoric human communities, allowing cooperation, knowledge sharing and expression of thoughts and feelings. Over time, proto-languages have evolved and diversified, giving rise to the thousands of different languages that currently exist around the world, with its own unique grammatical structures, vocabularies and cultural expressions. The importance of global communication. Today, global communication is more important than ever. With globalization, the internet and the growing interconnection between people across the world, the ability to communicate in different languages has become a valuable tool. Global communication allows the exchange of information, knowledge and experiences, facilitating areas such as trade, diplomacy, education, economy, etc. In addition, global communication also promotes intercultural understanding, empathy and cooperation between people from different backgrounds and contributing to building a more connected and collaborative world. To conclude, the evolution of human language is a fascinating journey that goes back to the dawn of humanity. Over the centuries, language has evolved, developing into complex forms of communication that are widely used in contemporary society. Through language, human beings could express ideas, share information and understand the world around them. Furthermore, the diversity of languages and dialects across the world reflects humanity's rich cultural plurality. Understanding the evolution of human language is crucial to appreciate the importance of communication in today's society and in building a more connected and inclusive world. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please push the like button and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.